So now I am starting the questions, in-text questions given on page number 220 in your book. We say the blue box questions given on page number 220. So what is the first question? In question number 1, what is given? What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by a current? This topic we have discussed, the work done by current was electrical energy. So in that topic we have studied the rate at which, rate word is given, the rate at which energy is delivered means ultimately the rate at which energy is delivered means the rate at which work is done. So what it is called? Power only, because we have studied the rate of consumption of energy is called electrical power. So this is a very simple question. What determines the rate at which energy is delivered by current? Power. So we can simply say the rate at which the energy is delivered by current is called the electrical power, because this is similar to the rate of consumption of electrical energy. So now I am starting with question number 2 given on page number 220. What is given in this question? An electric motor takes 5 ampere current from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. So first of all we will draw the diagram. This motor is an electrical appliance, so this motor will also have certain resistance, and this motor is connected to a line, means this motor is connected to a supply of what supply? 220 volt. This motor is connected to a 220 volts. So what it is? This is Vt, means the potential difference. When your circuit would on, then current will flow. What current? Whatever, but current will flow. This current will reach here. So now what is asked? The heat developed and the power of the motor, means power of the device. So here we will write the data provided to us for this question. Given. Now what is given? An electric motor takes 5 ampere. So given what is current provided here, means how much current is flowing through the circuit. This is provided. They are saying 5 ampere current is flowing through the motor. Second thing, from a 220 volt line. That means what is the potential difference provided to us? 220 volt. Motor we use in our home, and you know that current flows through the motor. So what is the supply in our home? That also we know 220 volt is the supply that is provided in our home. So this question is somewhat related to other domestic appliances that we are using. So now what is the potential difference? Or you can say voltage. How much it is given? 220 volt. Now first thing we have to calculate the power of the motor, and second thing we have to use the energy consumed in 2 hours. So this motor is used for what time? Time for which motor used. This time is 2 hours. So this is in SI unit, voltage is in SI unit, but time we will have to convert in SI. So this would become 3600 2 into 3600 second. 1 hour equal to 3600. So the time would become 7200 second. Now this is the data that is provided to us, and now we have to calculate two things, that power of the motor and the energy consumed by the motor. So let's do the A part. Power, or you can say the electrical power. Power formula is what? Power equal to V into I. We have discussed this. Which power is this? You can say electrical power that we have discussed. Power means electrical power only, and this is the formula of electrical power, V into I. So what is the value of V? V was 220 volt and current was 5 ampere. So now tell me what would be the answer. 220 into 5. This would become 1100 volt into ampere. Now what is volt and ampere called? Volt and ampere is called watt. So this would become 1100 watt. Okay. You can write 1.1 kilowatt. So is this clear? Now let's solve the energy consumed. So what is the B part? Energy consumed. This motor is consuming energy, so we will write energy consumed E equal to what? What's the formula of energy consumed? Power into time. So we already know what is the power. 1.1 kilowatt, and for what time the motor is used? 2 hours. So what this would become? 2.2 kilowatt hour. So what is this? This is the energy consumption in what? Commercial unit. Remember, this is the energy consumption what? 2.2 kilowatt hour, and this answer is in commercial unit. Okay, in commercial unit. Now let's calculate our answer in SI unit also. 2.2 kilowatt hour. We know 1 kilowatt hour equal to what? In place of this kilowatt hour, what I can write?
1100 watt.
3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Forgot? When you will multiply this 2.2 by 3.6, what you will get? 2.2 and 3.6 you multiply. On multiplying, this would become 7.2 plus this 7.2 and 1. So this would become 7.92. This into 10 to the power 6 joules. Okay. So this would be the answer in what? Joules. And this answer is in commercial unit. So both the answers you can tell. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more thing you can write if you want to write. This would become 7.92 and 10 to the power 6 is known as mega. So this would become 7.92 megajoules. MJ. Okay. So these all answers are possible.